Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Soul Turbo. Based off of the GT line, the Turbo adds a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder as well as a couple other nice features. That includes the 7-speed dual clutch. You can only get the turbocharged motor, the 1.6 turbo, with the 7-speed dual clutch. It also comes with forward collision warning that's been enhanced, and just a bunch of other neat little features for a really nice as tested price of $29,150. That's not bad at all when you consider what you're getting. That includes leatherette seats, at least on the bolsters. Nice red contrasts throughout, including on the center caps. Don't mind the fact that the Kia badge is blue. It's just the protective wrapping on the Kia badged wheels. A little bit more of a aggressive rear bumper design. The Turbo also comes with your center exhaust. Unfortunately, that does mean you can't tow with this. But people who are buying this aren't really buying it to tow. With the Turbo, you get the TGDI badging. That exhaust is really heating up this plate. You can see it's just steaming everything. You know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll bring it up a little bit. There we go. That's better. That actually fits the design. Rear camera. I do like the rear taillights, how they kind of loop completely around. Soul badging here. Red contrast, like I stated before. And then back to the front. This right here is your heads-up display, which you should be able to see on the camera. Sunroof, of course. Soul badging on the seat bolsters. All right, so there's your heads-up display. You'll see as we're driving, it will pop up with some pretty neat features. 3 main drive modes: normal, eco, sport. Sport brings up this sport display that gives you your torque in Newton meters and your turbo pressure in PSI. Here is your wireless charging. All your wireless charging tips in the shape of a phone, which is pretty cool. Sun visors. Do have normal e-brake. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. Experience this thing on the road, which really is this thing's best place. I'll start out in normal drive, then I'll bump over into sport, and then I'll probably play with the paddle shifters once or twice. It's amazing the torque this thing delivers. You know, the normal Soul, it's kind of like a Forte hatchback in a way, whereas this is like a Forte GT hatchback. And if you've driven the Forte GT, or if you've seen my video on it, you know I absolutely love that car. And this thing is an absolute riot. Honestly, it's one of my favorite Kias I've driven in quite a long time. Go ahead, auto start stop off. That's all controlled through here. You can also increase your illumination, which I always like to do. I like to keep it in its brightest setting. Shut your traction control off. If you hold it, you'll get 2 dings, and that's your full off position. Now let's go ahead. Keep in mind the roads are wet, so I'll probably lose a little bit of grip, but let's see the power. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, this thing is a rocket ship. Kia had no reason to make this thing this quick, but little platform, lightweight, turbocharged motor, and you got a recipe for an absolute pocket rocket. Now we'll go ahead, bump it over into sport mode for the transmission. Really, it just changes shift algorithms when it shifts and stuff like that. Being the DCT, it actually is really good from a standstill, starting and getting going. Something DCTs are typically pretty bad at. They did a really good job tuning this. Give them a little bit of gap, and then I'll do the kick down in sport mode. Wow, this thing. Oh my goodness, this thing is a pocket rocket. This thing has no right to be this quick. No right. No, I'm gonna go straight. Now using the paddles behind the wheel. Oh my god, the smile on my face is just, you can't see that on camera. The way this thing shifts is absolutely phenomenal. I wouldn't want a manual. I'd keep this DCT in this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.